I like your swag, boy, I like your swag. You look like dad, look just like your dad. You like dad, you look just like your dad.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Shine. I'm back with another video. Hey. Now today I got a special request. Now one of my subscribers saw my last video on how to like make different hairstyles with your box braids and everything. He saw that shit and he was like,
yo bro, that's cool and everything, you feel me? But like what you do when you go to sleep, you know what I'm saying?
because sometimes, you know what I'm saying, remember I made that last video when you go to sleep with your box braids out, bro, and your shit be looking crazy, bro, your shit be looking wicked, your shit be looking like this and shit, bro, just hanging out, bro. This is what this video is for. Shout out to my subscriber. His shit gonna be right here. Make sure, you know, go and show my homie some love. My dumb ass deleted the comment, you know what I'm saying? But not only can I help you, motherfucker, I made a whole video. So without further ado, let's get into this video.
Alright, so it's the first method, you feel me? So what you want to do is you want to grab your little silk, you know what I'm saying? Shine bright like a diamond, you feel me? So what you're going to do is you're going to put it over your head, you know what I'm saying? Put it over your head. It don't got to be perfect, my nigga. It just got to be on your head, my nigga. I remember some other niggas asking me like, oh, bro, do it got to be like a little to the side, you know, the bent? No, my nigga, it don't got to be perfect, my nigga. All you doing is laying down and going to sleep, my nigga. God damn, my nigga. Who the fuck is going to see you, bro? The boogeyman, my nigga? Like, god damn. My fault, my nigga. Back to the video. I just hate day real niggas. But anyway, you know what I'm saying? So after you put the do-rag on, you know what I'm saying? You're going to put the little band on, you know what I'm saying? Wrap it around, you know what I'm saying? Wrap it around, you know what I'm saying? And one more thing, bro. This is one of the most important things, bro, when putting on the do-rag, bro. I remember I was on the train, bro. I saw this nigga wearing the do-rag, bro. First of all, it was a poly, bro. So I'm like, bro, first of all, your do-rag not on right. This shit mad loose. And it's a poly, my nigga. Like, god damn, bro. Moral of that story, bro, just make sure your shit on Gucci, my nigga. It don't gotta be perfect, bro, but make sure your shit look alright. You know what I'm saying? You never know, bro. You might go outside, bro. A bitch might see you. She be like, ooh, your shit look mad perfect, bro. I like the way you got your do-rag set up. You be like, word? You might fuck around and get your dick sucked that night. And after you do that, you feel me? You just tighten it up a little bit, tighten it up, you know what I'm saying? Pat it down and get your shape in. And the last thing, pull your braids down, you feel me? Just like that, yeah. And the reason why you pulling them down, you feel me? I said this in my last editorial. That video got 1,800 views. Thank everybody. But the real reason you keep pulling your braids down every time you put the do-rag on, bro, is because when you pull your braids down, bro, it gives you a little bit more drip, you feel me? Because some niggas be putting the do-rag on and they'll be putting the fucking braids down, my nigga. I be like, what the fuck? And remember, bro, you could do this shit for as long as you want, you know what I'm saying? As soon as you feel like, all my braids is laid down, you Gucci. Alright, so this method number 2, you feel me? So what you gonna do is, you know what I'm saying, you're gonna get your little rubber band and you're gonna take all your braids and tie it to the back, just like that, you feel me? And I ain't gonna hold you, you feel me? If you want to, like, this is an extra, like, little step. This is what I do sometimes. I ain't do it in this video, but if you want to, you get, like, a toothbrush for your hair, you know what I'm saying? And start, like, brushing down your baby hair so they could be slickly laid down, you know what I'm saying? And after that, you just put the do-rag on, you know what I'm saying? It don't gotta be perfect, bro. Like I said from the last time, bro. It don't have to be perfect, bro. You just going to sleep. And make sure you tie it around tightly, not too tight where you cutting off blood circulation and shit, but make sure your shit tight, you know what I'm saying, to the point where it can't like move around on your head, you know what I'm saying, because the more the do-rag move around on your head, your baby hair is gonna start fucking up and shit. Alright, and after that, you pretty much done, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? You could pat it down, you know what I'm saying, fix your little eyebrows, you looking crispy, you know what I'm saying? Get it!
And that's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And most importantly, I hope you guys learned from it. Like, share, subscribe if you're new. And I'm out, bruh. Get